Hi, I'm Tim Dawson. I'm the CEO of Lauxes Grates. We're here at the KBIS show 2024 in Las Vegas. Lauxes Grates is linear floor drain system used for indoor and outdoor purposes, customizable and cut to size on site. We're the leading brand due to its flexibility, its customization, and our basic installation methods. Everyone's been quite responsive of the product. They're really liking the flexibility and versatility. Distribution network is growing daily, and we're looking to continue to educate the market through one contractor at a time. Common question we get asked all the time, why linear drains compared to center waste? Well, let's face it, it's just a lot easier for all the tiles and all the water to one linear channel rather than cut them around a center waste, which creates extra work on the job that's unnecessary. Thanks everyone for coming and visiting us at the KBIS show in 2024. We look forward to seeing you again soon. And if you need any more information, please jump on our website at lauxesgrates.com.